Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a Squarespace account. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on the Squarespace main page, and I'm already logged into my account, which I will log out of. And once I'm logged out, you can either click on log in and then click create an account from there if you don't already have one, or you can click get started. I'll just click get started really quickly. And now, as you can see, you need to enter the data of what your site is going to be about. For example, I'll just make a consulting site. You can skip these steps if you want to as well. Really doesn't matter. So I'll just go ahead and skip them. And you can browse templates or build a site with AI. I'll just go ahead and browse a template. And I'll choose one of these. For example, this one. You can change the colors here with sample color presets. If you want, you can change the appearance like so. We'll keep the original one. Click start with this design, and now you need to create your account. You can create one with email, or you can sign in with Google, or even more options if you have them available. I'll just continue with Google, and I'm just going to sign into my account that I already use for Squarespace. So I'll just click on that, and now that that's logged in, it will take me into my new site, and I can start editing from there. If you create an account with your email, you're most likely going to have to go to your email address and search for a link to verify your email. Here you need to set a title. So I'll just name it test title. Click next. You can edit the pages, blah, blah, blah. Really doesn't matter. I'll just close this. And yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.